Recent studies reveal that what many believe about AI coding tools is largely misconceptions. The common hype suggests these tools will revolutionize software development, making programmers faster and more efficient. However, new research shows the opposite. These AI systems, instead of speeding up the coding process, actually slow developers down. In a controlled trial, programmers equipped with AI coding assistants predicted a 24% productivity boost, but in reality, experienced a 19% reduction in efficiency, a significant drag rather than a boost. This stark discrepancy underscores a broader truth. Current AI coding tools often add layers of complexity and distraction, leading to slower workflows. They can generate code snippets and suggestions, but integrating these into a cohesive project requires time-consuming review and correction. Therefore, despite the optimistic marketing hype, AI assistance in development is not yet the productivity miracle some promise. At least in its current state, beyond coding, the AI landscape also faces challenges regarding misinformation and security. Researchers have demonstrated that defenses designed to protect images from AI training scrapers are vulnerable. They used data poisoning techniques, effectively data detox, to bypass protections meant to stop unauthorized use of artwork. This suggests that many image rights protections are easily circumvented, raising questions about how artists and content creators can truly safeguard their work in the era of AI. Meanwhile, geopolitical risks continue to influence AI development strategies. For example, Butterfly Effect, the startup behind Manus AI, has closed its entire China team to mitigate geopolitical uncertainties. Similarly, high-profile acquisitions and partnerships are in flux. OpenAI's attempt to acquire Windsurf, a coding startup, ended after concerns over intellectual property and alliances with Microsoft. Google, on the other hand, is investing in Windsurf's technology without acquiring it outright, licensing some of its tech instead. On the regulatory front, the European Union is preparing to enforce transparency in AI models with the upcoming Model Documentation Form. Resembling a tax season process for AI providers, it's voluntary but signals a push for accountability. Additionally, innovations like the energy-based transformer architecture aim to improve AI's reasoning capabilities, fostering System-2 thinking to better analyze complex problems stepwise. In conclusion, while AI tools are undoubtedly evolving and gaining attention, the reality is more nuanced. The entertainment of the hype around AI's transformative potential often oversimplifies the current limitations. AI still struggles with efficiency, security, and ethical challenges, and some of its most optimistic claims, like dramatically speeding up development, are not yet supported by evidence. Understanding these facts allows us to temper expectations and focus on addressing